Hey everybody, welcome back. It's pouring down with rain, so let's get ourselves in the garage and get on with the classic Mini. Oh, it's nice to be in a dry, warm garage because it's just started to pour down as you saw on camera. Now, I've got loads going on in the garage today. I've just had some panels delivered. I'll show you those in a minute. But quickly, following on from the previous video, I did remove all of the sound deadening bitumen, and I asked you viewers to put a comment in and let me know what you thought it was going to weigh. So the weight of all of the sound deadening bitumen once removed from the floor was 4.2 kilograms. Now I did expect it to be a lot heavier, but it wasn't, so I'll have to find a way of removing more weight later on in the build. So there was a clear winner, and that was Lizard's Garage, because they guessed 4.1 kilos, so almost spot on. Now I've got loads to do in the garage today. There's bits everywhere, so I'll just show you now some of the panels. I'll firstly start with the two sills. Here you go, the two sills. Come on, I meant the mini sills. Let me just get them for you. Mini sills, come on. Now there's a cobweb there that has actually appeared since the last video, so I must be taking too long. Let's show you the panels that I've purchased and had delivered. Here we go. So we've got some side panels that include the doorstep and the rear quarter. I've got a universal doorstep repair section. I've got an inner sill panel. I've got a load of racking. Now don't worry, I didn't buy that. I got that for free. And I've also got the two footwell repair panels. Now the floor, to the eye, looks really good now that I've removed the bitumen sound deadening. But don't let that fool you, because as usual there is still more rust to remove in the footwells, in the inner sills and the outer sills before we even look at doing the front end. So I've got my work cut out as usual. It's best I stop talking and get on with it. I think I might have just possibly come up with the best idea yet in the garage. I need to brace the door aperture before doing any more cutting of the footwell or the inner sill. And I thought, without having to weld the brace onto the bodywork, how else can I do it? Now, if I utilise the latch that the door goes to that moves the whole car, it's that strong, and the holes for the door hinges, I think I can make a brace that will go across this area and keep it in exactly the right position and place that it's in now. I've had to take a little bit of material down. Slots in place like that. And then I've got two holes to mount this through. Just a couple of tiny adjustments and then it'll be ready for welding up. That's the finished bracket, all welded up, liquor paint on it. Let's get it fitted onto the car. There it is, mounted to where the door hinge holes would be. You've got the cross member that goes straight across the door aperture, and it's located where that bent tab is, and it goes through the latch where the door would hook onto. I've got a small plastic shim there to make it even tighter, and now I've just put another bracing bar in position. I'm going to weld that in now. That is actually bolted down where the seat mount would be through the cross member. Then I can start cutting away the floor. I just wanted to show you how bad the welding was on the oversills that were fitted to the car to get it through its MOT. Unbelievable. Now you can see how much rot there was on the over seals, the inner seals. There's patches and patches. I mean, this is just tacked on mainly. It didn't look too bad from inside the car, but yeah, absolute rot. You can see, obviously, like I've said before, where the rust forms between two panels. This was some spot welded areas, so that has had to come away. Slinger bracket, all rotten there. Yeah, a lot of work to do, I'm afraid. So the brace is still in place. It's done its job. Nothing's moved as yet. I've got a hole there to repair. I've got a bigger hole there to repair. Here's the panel. It's only cut roughly at the moment. If I hold it in place, you can see what I'm trying to achieve. More repair work there, and at the end of the cross member, but we're getting there.
Take 3.
That's it. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I've got to stop it there. There's still so much to do. I'm going to try and do as much as I can before the next video, so you don't see me just doing all cutting and grinding. I can actually try and get to the stage where we're ready to put the new repair panels in place. Now, I keep getting told that all I do is ask you lot to please subscribe. I'm not going to do that today. You know, I tried not to do it, but I am trying to grow the channel and get the subscribers up. So, you know, I won't ask today. It's up to you. All I can say is I hope you're enjoying the content. thanks for watching. Keep coming back to the channel if you haven't found it already. The videos are getting better. And I'll see you on the next one.